Hello and welcome to another presentation. Today's topic is curriculum plan for 3 to 5 years old. And in today's topic, we'll be talking about curriculum philosophy, developmental characteristics, weekly program, learning environment layout, supervision plan, teaching and assessment strategies. My name is Promise Chinagaram. We have been discussing in the past about how children thrive in environments that nurture their curiosity, agency, and relationship. At this age of 3 to 5 years, they are developing fundamental skills in communication, problem solving, and emotional regulation. My curriculum design is guided by the Early Year Learning Framework, Volume 2, which emphasizes belonging, being, and becoming. I believe children learn through open-ended exploratory play, which fosters creativity and cognitive growth. They also learn through trusting connections with educators and peers, building their confidence and resilience. Predictable structures also help support their emotional well-being and independence. Another aspect of this curriculum is the developmental characteristics, where we factored in the 5 main developmental domains, such as the physical development and the social development, the emotional development, the cognitive development, and the language and communication. Under the physical development, we design outdoor play like art station and sensory play. For social development, we factored some group project and dramatic play. For emotional development, we designed emotional coaching. Cognitive development was also put in place, and language and communication, such as storytelling and dramatic play. Another aspect of this curriculum is the developmental characteristics, where we factored in the 5 main developmental domains, such as the physical development and the social development, the emotional development, the cognitive development, and the language and communication. Under the physical development, we design outdoor play like art station and sensory play. For social development, we factored some group project and dramatic play. For emotional development, we designed emotional coaching. Cognitive development was also put in place, and language and communication, such as storytelling and dramatic play. In the weekly program, we have daily activities from Monday to Friday. On Monday morning, we have outdoor nature work. In the afternoon, we have storytelling. On Tuesday, we have book play and construction. Wednesday, we have another book play, and we also have construction challenges. On Thursday, we have collaborative art and painting. Friday, we have cooking experience where kids get to make fruit salad and all of those. And all of this has been linked to the EYLF outcomes. This weekly program has been designed to cater for the needs of our 3 to 5 year olds. It's developmentally appropriate and it responds to the holistic needs of the children. The indoor and outdoor learning to promote physical, cognitive, and emotional development. And each of these experiences is intentionally linked to a YLF framework. Outcomes, ensuring children's learning is meaningful, inclusive, culturally inclusive, and they are guided by a knowledgeable order. Environment has been laid out here. Here we have the sensory area where the children get to play with stones and all of those to suit their sensory needs. We also have the blocks where they can um, improve their structures, construction, and creativity. We also have the arts area where the children can uh, indulge in open ended materials to promote creativity, express their ideas through art, and also cultural exploration. We've also got an outdoor area where the children can play all sorts of games to foster development and fine motor skills. For the supervision plan, we've mapped out some of the important areas that are really important to consider. We have to create a suitable curriculum for the children. We have the educator to child ratio. We have staff positioning and zoning. We also have transitional times, the time at which um, m- children move from one activity to the other. We have the high risk areas like the outdoor or when they are going camping or excursions. We also have the inclusive supervision where children who need extra help are supervised. We also have active supervision and techniques. On the teaching strategies, I have designed some of the teaching techniques that help children learn, such as modeling, we have questioning, we have scaffolding, documentation, and reflection. We also have cultural responsiveness. In modeling, it has to do with the educator showing the children what to do in terms of modeling empathy, using rich vocabulary for the child to learn, to encourage language and communication. Questioning, you could ask the child question during play, like, which color do you think we can use right now? And so many more. Into ascertain if this plan or curriculum has achieved its intended goal, we have the assessment strategies, which include storytelling, could tell a story, using it to assess the children to know if they're really learning. We could do a recording through observation as the children play. We record and keep it for future references. We also have developmental checklists where we tick and see what stage of development has this child achieved. We have planning and reflection where we have to go back